Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Friends, in this video, I will show you how to set chat wallpaper from your gallery on Telegram. Guys, you can do it easily by following these steps. First, open Telegram. Then you can see 3 vertical lines at top left corner. Click on it. Then click on Settings option. You can see there are many options. Click on Chat Settings. Then you can see Change Chat Wallpaper option. Click on it. Then click on Select from Gallery option. Then select any one picture as you wish. Then click on Tick option at down right corner. Finally guys, in this way you can easily change chat wallpaper from gallery on Telegram.